Okay, hey guys, I am back with the food videos. I just got back from school. I made my lunch. I just got some comfy pants on. My friend might be calling me, and I'm hungry. I just got some little chips because that won't fill me up. But okay, I might need chips and dip, but we don't have any dip because my brother used it all. And we don't really have it. Wait, what's this? No, that's chicken spaghetti. All we have is cheese and butter. This is cheese sticks. I don't know what I want. I want cheese, nacho cheese, but like we don't have any. Wait, I might make crackers and cheese. Guys, if y'all like that, okay. I like it. So all you do is take like a couple crackers, break this up and melt it. It's so good, guys. You gotta try it. I need some more cheese because we're almost out. Okay, sorry guys with all the bad angles. I don't know what to do today. Today feels like Monday, but it's Wednesday. Y'all probably see this on like Thursday or Friday. I don't know, guys. I just am panicky. I want crackers. I want food. I want food. So 2 slices of cheese. Hold on. I got 2 slices of cheese. I was gonna make nacho cheese, but no, I'm not. Wait, what the? Oh, and guess what? My brother left all the cheese on the table, and it got on my. It's on my arm. Yesterday, I spilled a whole cup of yogurt on my pants. I am just having a terrible week. So, sorry guys for all the bad lighting. Here is our pantry. Yes, we have paper towels up in the pantry. And I would just take like one of these. Guys, I need to wash my arm off. It smells like booty. But this was the spicy cheese, and I don't like spicy cheese. The only cheese I like is like hibachi cheese or Mexican cheese from Mexican, like the dip. Yeah, I only like that. Queso. I need to wash my arm off. Guys, I'm just gonna set you right here, okay? Okay, we're good now. Now I can cut. My friend will be calling me any minute now because she wants to talk about our play date that we're gonna have soon, or sleepover. Rowan, if you're watching this, I will probably already called you and we're already at our sleepover. I just want to eat this so bad, but it's for a cake. Can I just go like, ah? No, I can't. My mommy will kill me. 120 calories. I'm not gaining a whole pound. Yeah, okay. We need, what was I gonna do? Oh, get a plate. I'm crazy. I would just do a bowl, but we only have like these plates, and these can work, okay? Just any type of plate. So I would take like 2 packs of these, but we are not getting a good angle. We're not. This will have to work for now. I don't know. Okay. Phone, stay. Okay, we're good. So get your cheese crackers. I have to do like a sit-in mode. And then take your crackers. If these will open. So good. Okay. Set your cracker down like this. If we want to focus, just set down all your crackers, but they have to be like a little separated because you're gonna put cheese on top and it's going to melt and it's gonna stick together. So, dude, there, that's better. Thank you. Is my arm's sticky again? So guys, I have some. I'm gonna show you in a sec. finally done. Okay, here it is. Beautiful. Cheese. Please stop rattling. Okay, thank you. And then I would just tear it up like this, but if you have big crackers, like club crackers, I would like do like this much, but I need more because I like my crackers extra cheesy. Okay. I need to put down. Guys, please be quiet. I'm trying to do a video. My cat's meowing again for the 50th millionth time today. I am sick and tired of this cat, but I love him so much. Okay, and then the la. I guess we don't need 2 cheeses, but if you have club crackers, I would do like 4 boxes. I can't talk today. Ow, guys. Guys, right now I'm just putting this up. I just put that up. So here's what I got. I'm gonna pop it in the microwave. Wait, what? The microwave says it's 807. Hold on. No, it's not. The microwave says it's 807. It is not 807, guys. Hello. Uh-oh. Okay. I'm just going to put it in for 20 seconds, I think. Not 2 minutes. Well, gotta wait till this gets 2:30. La 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 la. My microwave was up. I am going to scream. It's already popping right now. I need to look. It's okay. It could. I guess it can't eat that one. It fell on the floor. Oh yeah, this is the perfect temperature. So like set it in there for 20 or so seconds. Because that's where the cheese begins to melt. If it doesn't pop, okay, well you need to set it in for 50 minutes. I'm kidding, not 50 minutes. I'm saying like 22 seconds. Just is so hot. Owie. Okay, guys. I'm going to try it so I can go ahead and post this video. So, hot. Guys, y'all gotta try this right now, bro. I know it's weird for me saying bruh, but it's. I'm so sorry about the bad angles, but. Yum. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna bust on this, and y'all need to try this, cause oh my goodness, it is so good. This with ham. Oh my god, guys, y'all gotta try this. Peace out, bye.